Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to fix Google Play Store not downloading. Firstly, start by restarting your Android device. So press the restart button. This will restart my Android device, and then I will try downloading the application again from the Google Play Store. Also ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you should check the available space on your Android device. Make sure you have a few hundred megabytes of space so that you can download and install applications from the Google Play Store onto your device. So you need to open up the My Files application. Next, tap on the internal storage option. Here you can easily view your storage. Next, go to your settings application, then tap on the apps option here. Now scroll down and tap on the Google Play Store. After that, tap on the storage button. Next, tap on the Clear Cache at the bottom right corner and then tap on Clear Data. After that, again go to your settings application, then tap on the apps option here. Now scroll down and tap on Google Play Services. Then tap on the storage button. Next, tap on the Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. So now I have cleared the cache files and cache data for Google Play Services. This helps resolve issues caused by temporary files stored for an application. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.